Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential problem, which is 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a. This is equal to 60. So what is the value of a? Now let's provide a solution from here. We have that 5 to the power of a is common, so we can factor out 5 to the power of a, so that now 5 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 60. So this implies that we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this is equal to 60. So let's divide both sides by 3, so that now we simplify here, and this implies we have 5 to the power of a, this is equal to 60 divided by 3, and this is equal to 20. Now the next step is to solve for the value of a. Let's introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 5 to the power of a, this is equal to log 20. Now we have that log 5 to the power of a. This is in the form of log a to the power of b, which can be expressed as b to the, that is b log a. Applying this power log property, this means that log 5 to the power of a becomes a log 5. This is equal to log 20. So let's divide both sides by log 5. And also here we have log 5. Now let's simplify log 5 and log 5a, so that now we have that a is equal to log 20 divided by log 5. Now the next step is that we can express 20. This is the same thing as 5 multiplied by 4. Now let's substitute 20 with 5 times 4, so that we have a is equal to log, this is 5 multiplied by 4 divided by log 5. Now we have that log 5 times 4, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have that a is equal to the log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 4 divided by log 5. Now the next step is to simplify log 5 and log 5 here, so that we have a is equal to 1 plus, now we can express log 4 as log 2 raised to the power of 2, then divided by log 5. So that now we have that log 2 to the power of 2. Let's apply the power log property here, so that now we have a is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 5. Now the next step is that log 2 over log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which can be expressed as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have the value of a is equal to 1 plus 2, this is log 2 to base 5. So this is the value of a. So this is the value of a. The next step is to verify that this value of a here satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that this value of a here, which is 1 plus 2 log 2 to base 5, satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a. This is equal to 60. So since 5 to the power of a is common here, we factor out 5 to the power of a, So that now 5 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of this is 1, plus 5 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a, this is 1, plus 1. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. So this means we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3. And this should give us a value of 60. Now let's substitute the value of a so that we have 5 to the power of 1 plus 2. This is log 2 to base 5. Then everything here multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. So we have that since 2 is a power here, we can express this as 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 to the power of 2 to base 5. Then everything here multiplied by 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. Now we have that 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 squared to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which can be expressed as a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then this implies we have 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 2 to base 5. Then everything here multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 60. So this is to imply that we have 5 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of log 2 to the power of 2 to base 5. This is in the form of b to the power of log m to base b. This should give us a value of m. Applying this logarithm property, then this means that 5 raised to the power of log 2 squared to base 5. This should give us a value of 2 squared, which is 4. So let's substitute this 4 back to the equation here. We have 5 times 4, everything here multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 60. Now this is to mean that we have 5 times 4, this is 20, multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 60. So 20 times 3, this is equal to 60, which is equal to 60. So we have that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of a, which is actually equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.